Hello everyone, in this video I will be discussing the dark version of the stock trading journal I created to track my stock trading performance. I have previously made a tutorial video about a stock trading journal which I will link in the description section below. Since then, I have made several changes to the spreadsheet, including a dark mode version, funds deposit and withdrawal, translation of keywords, and weekly reporting. In this video, I will provide a detailed walkthrough of this stock trading journal spreadsheet. This stock trading journal is designed for traders who want to track their trading performance and strategy over a 12-month period and obtain a detailed weekly, monthly strategy overview and overall overview of their trading activity. Before you start using this trading journal, you need to go to the Start tab to set your starting month and year. Input any month and year and it will list out all the 12 months below. Then input your account starting capital and define your trading strategy. If you are from a non-English speaking country, you can change the keywords translation to your own language. Once you're finished setting out the journal, you can start inputting your trading data. There's a calculator here to help you determine the maximum amount of risk per trade. Find your entry and target levels, as well as the number of shares to buy or sell for your stock trading. Let me show you an example of how to input trading data into the trading journal. First, enter the trade number in numerical value. Input your entry date and time. Select the trade direction from the drop-down menu. Enter the number of shares you buy or sell when opening the position. Input the ticker of your stock and select your trading strategy from the drop-down menu. Then input your entry price, your stop loss level, your take profit price, and your commission. As you can see, the dark gray cell will automatically calculate the 1 hour distance, your position size, your trade make profit, your trade make losses, your risk percentage per trade, which means the percentage of net loss to your account net liquidation value, and maximum risk to reward ratio, which is the ratio of your maximum profit to maximum loss. After closing the position, input the exit date and time. Number of shares you bought or sold when closing the trade, the exit price, and the commission. After keying the trade details for closing the position, the spreadsheet will automatically calculate the total trade duration in days, hours, and minutes, total R multiple gain, profit and loss, account balance, percentage gain or loss, and the amount of account drawdown. When you deposit or withdraw fund into your trading account, remember to put a dash in the trade number column and the date of funds deposit or withdrawal, then the amount of money your deposit or withdraw in the deposit or withdrawal column. This journal also contains a weekly and monthly report to keep track of your weekly and monthly trading performance and strategy. In the weekly report, you can choose the number of weeks in the drop-down list, and all the trades on selected week will be displayed on the table below. The weekly report will also show you the selected week profit and loss, your win rate, and your average return per trade. The dynamic chart will show your account balance, total P&L by ticker, strategy performance, cumulative P&L, and account drawdown. You can monitor your monthly trading performance by selecting the month from the drop-down list. All the trades taken in the selected month will be listed in the table below. This monthly report display your profit and loss, win rate, and average return per trade. The dynamic chart display your account balance, your total P&L by ticker, your strategy performance, cumulative P&L, and account drawdown, all based on selected month. The strategy performance dashboard enables you to see how each of your trading strategy is performing. You can identify which strategies are performing well and which one needs improvement. Simply select your strategy from the drop down list, and it will show all trades taken using that strategy, as well as related statistics such as profit and loss, win rate, and average return per trade. Besides that, you can filter by ticker to find win rate for a particular ticker when using the strategy. There is also a strategy statistic section to show you the best and worst performing strategy, as well as a comparison of strategies by month. The weekly, monthly, and strategy report in this trading journal are very useful for traders to evaluate their trading strategy, identify strengths and weaknesses, and make informed decisions to improve their performance. Finally, the most important part of this journal is the main trading dashboard. It provides a comprehensive overview of your trading activity over a 12-month period. It displays your account summary, including total P&L, win rate, and account statistics such as average win and loss, R multiple, and winning and losing trade. It also shows your 12-monthly trade statistics such as profit and loss, R multiple, and winning and losing trade. The interactive and dynamic charts automatically update when you input data into your trading journal. The pie chart shows your trade performance, such as the number of winning or losing trades, as well as your long or short trades. The graph and bar chart display your account balance, account drawdown, monthly winning or losing trade, monthly performance by R multiple, monthly performance by profit and loss, cumulative P&L, performance by ticker, and performance by strategy. In my opinion, it is essential for every trader to maintain a trading journal like this one. It helps you track your performance, optimize your trading strategy, and provide valuable information to improve your skills over time and manage your portfolio effectively. Thanks for watching this video until the end. If you like and enjoy this video, do give a like and subscribe to my channel. To find out more about this trading journal, I will put the link in the description or comment section below for you to find out more about this trading journal. Thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.